Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll discuss about Facedeep 5 IRT, best in class smart face recognizing terminal with infrared thermal temperature detector. You see the device is very nice looking. But this can use gateway for safety. The Facedeep 5 IRT is new AI-based face recognizing and temperature scanning terminal with dual-core Linux-based CPU and the latest bio-nano deep learning algorithm. Combination by multiverse imaging technology, infrared light camera, visible light camera to ensure live face detection tool technology, TPI learning engine, 15,000 users, wide adoption, live face detection, temperature scanning and wireless communication. Wow, it's very nice. It's use powerful CPU embedded with bio-nano deep learning algorithm, bio-nano AI engine. Linux-based operation system, maximum 50,000 users and 1 GHz dual live recommendation. It uses the system can identify photo or video. IR technology, IR camera, and yes, I have two camera using this device. This is the most important factor. You can read, the device can read photo and video photo. But adoption for various countries. Makeup, you can read. Hairstyle, you can read. Expression sense, you can read. Glass, you can read. Hat, the device can read. Recognizing time 0.2 second. Limited. Face distance 100 cm and above. PS technography. Thermal imaging camera. Temperature -10 to 50 degrees Celsius. Temperature detection, we can detect the temperature 40 cm to 100 cm distance. How it works? It measures skin temperature at the door. Display whether the maxed skin temperature the higher than pass throat. Triggered alarm, notify and admin. Paste in case you can see here. 100 cm to 200 cm plus you can identify, and distance 200 cm. Best system. Full IPS full view screen. Wide algorithm IPS screen. Full 5-inch IPS screen. (125 kHz EM and 13.56 MHz MIG-5 display. Wow, what a look! Device security with anti-tamper module. Device with zinc alloy. Back heel with multiple mounts. Option for installation. Application. You can fix the text, transshield, station mount, corner mount, or hang on ceiling. It's really nice. Corner mounted system. Dual SD camera. RFID card, you can read RFID. Ultra view and ultra wide. Design is very nice. In connecting system, you can use it on door with door lock. We connect with Wi-Fi, LAN, and server management, cross-check software. I has made already a video about cross-check software, but in this channel you can see. Let's go. What is the technical version? Technical specification. Capacity maximum user 50,000. Maximum card, if you use card or face, you can use 50,000 user. Maximum log 1 lakh. Interface communication TCP, IP, RS232 and Wi-Fi. IO, real output. Identification face, password and RFID card. Identification space less than 300 millisecond. Protection IP65. Embedded ware supported, multi-language supported, and software cross-check operation and installation management system. Has a video already here. You can see CPU dual core Linux based 1 GHz CPU. It's amazing speed. Camera, infrared light camera, visible and visible light camera. A dual core camera, 2 camera using this device. Dimension 88 into 190 into 60 millimeter only. It's very slim. Thermal LCD 5-inch IPS LCD touch screen. Camera angle 74 degree. Visual to 67 to 57 infrared. Identification distance 2 meters. RFID card support with dual frequency. Humidity 20% to 90%. Operating temperature minus 30 degree temperature to 60 degree. Operating voltage 12 volt DC 13 ampere. How it will use, you can see where you can use this. So office bag, gate, you can use this. Its featured has been the access control, time attend, temperature, log monitoring, and marks detection. Access management, full access management system in the device. Time management, your employee at the office time, you can management here. Visitor management, you can visitor management here, and device can mount this way. Also you can use this at school when in this time safety purpose, you can use this in school. It's very quality device. It is the device system. If you want to buy this device, I am put the description box, link of the description box. You can buy from here, you can buy from Alibaba, buy from AliExpress, buy from Walmart, Amazon, everywhere. I have put the link in this video description link. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can share, comment and subscribe us. Thank you for watching this video.